Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change bio on Facebook. So let's get started. Open up Facebook. Then if you use Android device, tap on three lines at the top right corner. If you use iPhone iOS device, tap on three lines at the bottom right corner. From now any steps as for Android as for iPhone iOS device are the same. We should proceed to see your profile. From your profile, tap on edit profile here. If you already have some bio, you nearby tap on edit. If you don't have bio, just tap on add. And here you should enter a short bio to tell people more about yourself. For example, I write test. Then tap on save at the top right corner. And that's it. We added bio on our profile. Under your name you will see your bio. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.